in task 20O, with the same set of data, it says select from all data only the employee who have a name that contains the 2 characters O apostrophe. So the text filter contains O apostrophe and click on OK. And I've got several ones. I can imagine this is Iris names. Anyway, we've got it here. So I can go to the next one. I'm going to do the same straight away here with the Task20T. Let's say open the file that you save in 20M, select from all the data only the employees who have a first name that has the second and third letters EA. So in this case, remember that this substitutes any number of characters and the question mark, the asterisk any number of characters, and the question mark only one character. Okay, I'm going to use text filter begins with, and I say the second and third letter. So the first one can be anything, and the second and third one is EA. If I click on OK, I can be that the first letter S and L, but the second and third EA. So actually this works. Okay, I hope this is more or less clear. I'm going to stop these videos here at the moment because now we are going to move on to another section, which is sorting data. Hopefully you have all the exercise about filters clear. Thank you and see you on the next video.